Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you easy to follow steps on how to reinstall Windows 10. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, I recommend transferring any important files on your system to an external hard drive. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now click Update and Security, then click Recovery over here. Now under Reset this PC, click Get Started. Here we see two options. This option down here deletes all apps and files and then reinstalls Windows. Meanwhile, this option up here deletes all apps but still keeps your personal files. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to click this option. We have two options once more. Cloud download downloads Windows from the internet and then installs it. For this to work, you will need to connect your PC to the internet. This takes much longer, but it is a safer option. This option down here installs Windows using the installation files already on your PC. This option is much faster, but it is also riskier as the installation files could be missing or corrupted. I'm just going to go with this. If you are on a laptop, I recommend plugging your PC to a power supply as this could take a while. Now click Next and the installation process will begin. And those are the steps to reinstall Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.